But what good is all this learning if it doesn't lead to improvement? Just as a student uses their newly acquired knowledge to solve problems and perform better in exams, the car uses its learning to improve its performance on the road. It becomes better at predicting other vehicles' movements, at adjusting its speed based on traffic and weather conditions, at navigating complex intersections. It's constantly adapting, becoming more efficient, accurate, and safe with each journey. The parallels between this process and the learning process in education are striking. In both cases, data is gathered, processed, and then used to improve performance. If a car can learn and adapt in this way, it begs the question, can we apply these principles to education? Can we use artificial intelligence to personalize learning, to adapt teaching methods to individual students' needs, to make education more efficient and effective? So if a car can learn and adapt through AI, why not apply the same principles to education? Let's summarize what we've learned about AI's potential role in education. We've delved into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence and its transformative impact on the educational landscape. We've seen how the concept of machine learning, illustrated through the case study of a car learning and adapting, can be extrapolated to the classroom. Imagine a world where learning experiences are tailored to each student, where predictive analytics help educators identify areas of improvement before they become problems, and where accessibility is no longer a barrier, but a bridge. The potential benefits of AI in education are truly groundbreaking. It's about more than just teaching cars to learn and adapt. It's about harnessing the power of AI to revolutionize the way we learn. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI in education, one thing is clear: the future of learning is here,